Hi guys, so today we are going to be learning how I made this beautiful shift dress. It's something you can wear easily to any occasion of your choice. So let's get to it. This is the fabric we are working with, and this is the code. I got this code from at Crochet and Hooks on Instagram. This fabric is a 2 yard and I want to use it for 2 different outfits, so 1 yard for each. Yeah. So what I'm doing here now is to fold the fabric into 4 equal parts, and after that, the next thing I want to do is to make sure these 4 foldings are equal. And once I'm certain about that, I'm going to measure, and what I got is 14.5 inches. So the total of this my folding is 14.5 inches. Then after that, I'm going to take my shoulder measurement. My shoulder measurement is 8 inches. Now, after getting the shoulder measurement, the next measurement I'm going to be taking is my bust point measurement. I'm taking that bust point measurement so that I can be able to get the placement of my armhole. My bust point measurement is 11 inches. So once I get that, I'm going to be taking 2 inches above that for my armhole. So that is just what I did here. So the next thing I'm supposed to do is to take my neck width, but first of all, let's not forget to open the sides of this fabric, because we folded into 4, so one side is still closed. We have to open the 4 edges properly. So that's what I'm doing here now. Make sure your fabric is very much evolved before cutting. So I'm cutting this side already, like I said. I'm cutting it open. So now that we've cut that open, the next thing we want to do is to mark our neck width. On this dress, I'm using a neck length of 1 inch and a neck width of 6.5. I'm removing 1.5 inches from 8, so I'm going to be getting 6.5. So that from that 6.5, we are going to be marking into our 1 inch point. This is sort of a canoe neck, but not a deep neck. Just to be clear. So now we are going to cut it open. So after doing that now, the next thing we are going to do, we don't have much cutting to do on this dress, funny enough. We just have to go now to join our shoulders, and then the sides of our dress, and we are good to go. So first of all, I want to secure my neck and my sides with a pin to make my sewing more easier, and that is what I'm doing here right now. Secure properly on all sides, because there's nothing much you are actually cutting. You just have to secure, you use your pin to secure properly, and then we are going to sew. We are done with securing our dress with a pin. The next thing we are going to do is to sew. So I'm starting with sewing the shoulders together. So the shoulders, and after that I'm going to move over to the side of the dress. Now that we are done joining the sides of this outfit, the next thing we want to do is to fold the armhole and then also the neck. We are doing a half-inch double folding. We are going to be using half-inch double folding for this, and that is exactly what I'm doing here. Make sure you're folding properly. Once we are done with folding our armhole area and our neck area, the next thing we want to do is to fold the down of our clothes. And on this place, I'm using actually a 2-inch double folding because I really want this cloth to have a short length. At this point, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, please give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on your notification bell for more tutorials. So guys, now we are done with the sewing aspect of this dress. The next thing I want to do is the designing aspect. On my sleeve area, I marked 1.5 inch to give me a point, and then I came down and looked for the midpoint and also mark the same thing. So after doing these markings, I joined from my armhole to the down of this dress as if I'm doing a curve, just like this. And once I'm done with doing this is the design I came up with. Once I'm done with doing this, I'm just going to do a fluence side circle design, also something like that, and then I will start putting my code. I'm going to zoom this in so you see the lines. I don't know, my chalk is not so clear, so yeah. Now it's time to use our code. This is the code. It's having a black and ash design. This lighter, I'm using it to secure the mouth of the cord so it doesn't fray off. After doing that, the next thing is to start using my glue gun, my gun to put it on the dress. We're going to do that accordingly, following the lines we already marked, and we just keep doing like that till we are done. And once we are done with this, our design is going to be out, guys. So guys, while we are coming to the end of this design, you have to know that after this you still have to either hand tack or use your machine to tack down your cord to secure your design properly if you don't want it to pull off later, because I don't think this gum will hold it for a long time, like a really long time. So you still have to tack, but then we are actually done with this beautiful piece. Thanks for watching. See you again.